Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will be showing you on how to post a YouTube video on Instagram without copyright. First, go to your YouTube and then find a YouTube video that you want to add to your Instagram story. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. And then I'm going to copy its link. And then we're going to our Instagram app and click on Add Story. And then choose some picture. Now we're going to add a link to our story. Click this one and then paste the link that we've just been copied to our YouTube. Now that we have the link here, you can place it to wherever you want and then add it to our story. Now this is what it looks like to your story. You can click the link and it will redirect to the YouTube video. And then that's it guys. I hope that you learned in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.